So we are checking out a new item. This is the Yonanas. It is the classic design. Let's open it up and let's see what we're getting inside this container. Oh, you know what? Okay. There we go. Okay. So there are your manuals. I think that's your manual. So we have this machine here. Really well packaged. I mean, the little inserts keep that safe. It's well wrapped. We got an on and off button here on this side here. Power cord protected, which is nice. Goodness. This appears to be something to push down the items into the chute. And let's talk about this a little. Okay, so they recommend the Yo Zone. They recommend don't use yellow bananas, but use the cheetah spotted ones as they start to get a little bit different. There's a reason why. As a banana ages through time, it releases more sugars from its starches, and it basically becomes almost like a different fruit as you're preparing to eat it. So they do recommend those because you're going to get a better balance specifically for the machine. There is frozen bananas. There are thawed bananas. And then apparently there are unfrozen bananas. And they recommend that you use mildly thawed bananas. They call it the Yo Zone. That's funny. To take them, freeze them, and take them out for about 10 minutes. And then once they're out for 10 minutes, that's when they're perfect. And then you can take them, plus berries, put them in here. And you can create like little kind of sorbets. So you're literally just making little sorbets based off of berries and bananas, and that's really cool. Just this piece of simply Yonanas, which you just had 2 frozen bananas. Insert 1 banana, add remaining banana, enjoy. Then the raspberry, 2 frozen bananas and 3/4 a cup of raspberries. Insert the banana, insert the 1/4 a cup of the raspberries, and then alternate between the rest. So that's nice. Blueberry, 3/4 cup of blueberries, 2 frozen bananas, mixed berries. Okay, so they're going over how to properly best use it to create things. They even suggest sorbets. You can make sorbets without bananas. So just adding in frozen vegetables, frozen fruit like mangoes, pineapple, strawberries, bananas. They've got recipes specifically in here and talking about how to garnish and top it. They've even got some really crazy ones. They've got a PB&J, 2 frozen bananas, mixed berries, and a tablespoon of room temperature peanut butter. That's interesting. Okay, s'mores, frozen banana, graham crackers, a dark chocolate bar. Wow. Okay, they do recommend we microwave the graham cracker with dark chocolate for 10 seconds in the microwave before putting it in. That is really cool. Cookies and cream. Wow. I'm really impressed. There's so many different models and recipes in this book. If you were looking for an interesting way to make a really good dessert, then this is definitely an option. And then you can take this off here, and this is how you clean it. So literally it just comes in here, down this chute, into this grinder, and then this piece here rotates from this piece and outputs the end result of it being ground up into there. This unit here opens up, and that, ooh, those are serrated. Be careful, don't touch those. Those basically are what's going to chop up and turn into paste the products. That's cool. I want to try some sorbet. So, or at the very least, some really cool items. So we're gonna make ourselves some stuff, and then we'll be right back. That was actually quite delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hopefully this helps you guys decide whether you want to pick this up for yourself. And we'll see you guys next time.